Let's go with the filaments, bro.
Good man.
Good man.
Will there be some hardware?
What the fuck is this, bro?
Wheels, bro. I have matching Seat. Little stains, man. No, this one's sweaty, oil stained nuts.
Bottom mount seat rail.
Garbage. Sure, I need your rail, your seat, some bows. Can you see that scratch? It's so fast. Alright.
Bro, it's a big scratch. How shit is it to be back in the studio?
Instead of bends?
Yeah.
Instead of bends, Stu?
I didn't miss this at all.
Wow, holes don't line up. Freaking fire, bro. Where the hell are the holes? Drilling holes in my rare JDM parts, bro. Sheesh.
Yeah, I fucking did that shit, bitch.
Bro, it's going to be fucking bleeding to have two seats in here, bro. Bro, it's going to look so fucking JDM, bro. Was there any treasures under the seat, bro? Oh, impact gun, bro. wet testicle fit. Putting in my stout seat. Maybe lock the doors and put the stout seat in.
Yeah, you're gonna fucking get in there for me.
Oh, fuck, bro.
Oh yeah, you're gonna fucking go in there for it now.
Okay, well, I think that is busting, bro.
Are you on the stud?
Yeah. And I'm feeling kind of stuck. Wait, I need to come out. I'm having orgasm. Wow, double the stout, double the fun. Now when I'm on the tube, my passengers are totally locked in like myself.
Yeah, cool, man.
Probably should have taken that box out before I can't, eh?
What box?
That box in the back seat isn't coming out now.
Oh, bro, you're gonna have to cut the box, bro. Solid mounted, bro.
Oh, it's just locked in, bro. Test it out, test it out.
Bro, now when you're on the tooth. Good too, you put it in a good spot, you got good leg room. Not too far forwards. Close the door on him. Come on, close the door.
RHD, dude. Clean install, bro.
Decent install, dude.
Also weight reductions? That shit
Yeah.
heavy as fuck, bro.
Fire, dude.
Fuck, now I gotta vac my car. I'm an anti-vacker, no vacuuming. Alright, so we got double the stouts, double the JDM. It's just gonna be busting. Oh, now my passenger can be uncomfortable with me. Oh, this one's a bit tauter. Ouchie. Do you wanna get to say any of that, or?
Not really.
Man, come on, for the people. Everyone wants a cine. Come on.
No, fuck you, bro.
Come on, bro.
Always got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the
Alright.
Bro,
No one's seat?
my busted up seat, bro.
This rail's a little too short. As you can see, if that lines up, then
Bro, this is dusty as fuck.
pretty far from the hole.
Yeah, this is the seat that came from Tenosi that was absolutely busted,
It
bro.
came busted in half, so now it had some reppers on it, some fiberglass. So we'll see how long until he's on the tooge and that snatches in half. But yeah, cut these. So he's gonna cut these rails in half so we can get some adjustments out of him, because that's just the kind of guys we are. We see a problem, we take action, we fix it.
Yeah,
Here at Moist Boys.
You've seen the vice. There it is, bro.
And during that, we sit bubbly. Because we're distinguished gentlemen.
Yeah. Really cool guys, man. Yeah, cool, man.
Flopper the edges.
Doing the propers, you know.
Oh, we've changed. The fuck's the hole?
Right there. I should probably get a different seat. One that's not fucked.
Same issue. Like it's on the rails. That was the issue.
No, the issue is the seats when someone died in the seat, man. That's the issue.
Does it feel JDM, bro?
See the snorts coming in my house? COVID, bro. Let's go up the throttles, man.
Looks like you're having a scissor, bro.
Bro, I'm skirting, bro.
Some orders getting picked up. Link in bio. Grab some merch. Or link in the description. There you go.
That's fire. Whole stud just came out. Cool, man.
The seat rail off and then do an update.
Yeah, bro. Bro. Seat didn't fit, bro. Fuck. Bro. Feel like I'm going to pass out, bro. Yeah, I'll buy some rails, dude, and we'll slap it in, dude. Should probably paint it on the back, make it look all nice and clean, dude.
Comment like when you're in the Amazon and then one of those snake fish crawls up your pee hole and then it has those spikes
Yeah,
and then
man.
you pee blood.
You mean a barracuda, bro?
No, bro. No, remember, and what was that? Remember that Discovery Channel TV show where you fish for monsters?
Yeah, what the hell is that called?
Can't remember now. If you know the name of that show, comment it too.
Also, comment below what products you want to see us do in the future.
I think our new clothing drop's currently probably not being printed, but it should be.
We're just victims of everyone's bullshit right now. Yeah, comment below what color you think I'm painting my car. Bro.
Fourth time.
Comment below.
What the name of that show was.
Our driving gloves should be here soon. Same with our floor mats. There's 3 different floor mat designs. How many colors of gloves do we have coming?
6.
6.
Should we name something off? Oh wait, it's called River Monster.
That's it.
There's the Fokker there.
Dude, wait, so yellow?
There's the Fokker there.
Yellow,
Yeah, so
green,
the gloves are
black,
coming in neon yellow, green, black, blue, pink, purple.
Crazy.
It's gonna be fucking crazy.
Probably the best gloves on the market, man.
100%.
You know what we did this time around? The boys don't know fuck all about drifting. So the first gloves we made, we were like, let's just make these. Second time around, we asked a bunch of people that do skids, right? We were like, what do you look for in a good glove? They told us, dude. We took all that shit, put it into one glove. Version 2 driving gloves, dude.
Fucking fire.
Affordable pricing, competitive pricing, best on the market.
Yeah.
Don't you get hurt every time you have baseball?
Shut up, bro. Comment below. Do you like wearing shorts? Or do you only wear pants? If so, are you like me and wear the same pair of pants 2 weeks in a row?
Not even 2 weeks. It's just been a month, man.
No, those are the Carhartt ones. The Carhartt ones I wore for probably solid 3 months in a row.
That's so
And they're
stinky, man.
getting washed right now, and then another 3 months going right on them. All kinds of leg time on those pants, dude.
It's fucking disgusting.
Don't worry, I'm gonna get the olive ones so I can fucking alternate, dude.
Alright, shit's out of batteries.
Okay, sorry this video was shit.
No, it was good. It's gonna be a fine video.
Yeah, we sat down, we had a little conversation with the people behind the cameras. Behind the screen of the YouTubes.
Well, yeah, because I was wrenching my seat and I was like, hey, you gonna film this? And you're like,
Yeah, well, Colby's supposed to be here, but apparently he has a fucking job or something. Okay, comment below what color you think I'm painting my car.
There's like 12 things you want to comment. But we figured out River Monster, so they don't have to comment that.
Yeah, you guys can take the option on that one.
Unless you want to comment River Monsters.
Let us know. Should we be uploading more than twice a week? What day should we be uploading and what time works best for you? Let us know because we have no idea. It's been changed so many times. So let us know, bro.
Also try to hit 10 million K up on that YouTube. Best content that nobody subscribes to. Too witty,